Katie Kelly, and today I'm going to show you the first look of S&B's brand new 2017 Ford Powerstroke 6.7-liter cold air intake. You already have a killer truck, now let me show you why you need this killer kit. On the stock intake, the air comes through the front of the vehicle and travels down the snorkel, underneath the battery, into the airbox, and then snakes through the tube to get to the turbo. With the S&B intake kit, we swapped the location of the intake box and the battery, allowing our intake to not only be closer, but also directly in line with the front air inlet. In addition, our intake tube has minimal bends as it connects to the turbo inlet, and these details result in a significant decrease in restriction compared to the stock intake. In addition to the inlet in the front, the S&B box features a huge secondary inlet that just screams for more airflow. If you want to close up the mouth, we give you an optional box plug. We even provide you with a custom battery tray for an easy install and a perfect finish. Each intake kit comes with a massive air filter. This allows for greater airflow and a higher capacity. Not to mention our premium silicone rubber that won't crack over time and can withstand up to 400-degree temperatures. I just showed you how S&B is going to help your Powerstroke breathe easy. So if you have any other questions or you want to see me do a complete install, you can go ahead and check it out on our website, sbfilters.com.